Hello and welcome to the video download and install Oracle JDK 21 on Windows operating system with me Nam Hà Minh at Code Java.net. Throughout this video, I'd like to share with you the steps which you can apply to set up Java Development Kit or JDK with a distribution from Oracle version 21, so you will be able to develop and run Java applications on Windows operating system. Let's understand some brief information about Oracle JDK. Oracle JDK is the commercial build for Java Development Kit from Oracle Corporation. It's free for personal and development and production use, and organizations and businesses must pay for commercial use via Java SE subscription. And Oracle JDK is distributed as archive file and installer, such as XZ and MSI for Windows. And JDK version 21 is the current long-term support or LTS release of Java SE as of December 2023. It was released on September the 19th, 2023. And the official download page of Oracle JDK 21 is at this URL. And the downloaded file should be checked for integrity. Check the SHA-256 checksum. And note that the installer updates environment variables automatically, so the setup of Oracle JDK 21 on Windows will be simple and easy. Now let's download the installer for Oracle JDK 21. So head over to the official download page at the URL oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads. You see, this is the official Java downloads from Oracle Corporation, and you see the latest long-term support release of Java SE platform is JDK 21. So for Windows operating system, click Windows tab here, and you can see Oracle JDK is distributed as compressed archive file or x64 installer or x64 MSI installer. So you can choose either x64 installer or x64 MSI installer. Here I choose the x64 installer, so I click the download link here. Okay, the download is in progress. And then you should check the integrity of the downloaded file by checking the SHA-256 checksum. So you can see next to the download link here, there's a link SHA-256 here. So you can see this is the SHA-256 checksum of the file published by Oracle. Okay, the download completes. Okay, and before installing Oracle JDK 21 on Windows, we should verify the integrity of this .exe file. So open the folder that contains the downloaded file here, and to verify the SHA-256 checksum, open a new command prompt window. So you can press the start button and type cmd here and open command prompt. Okay, and change the current directory to the downloads directory using this command cd downloads, and you can see the downloaded file JDK 21 Windows x64 here. And to verify the integrity of this file, you can type this command cert ut -hash file and then the file name and then SHA-256. You see it prints SHA-256 hash of the downloaded file, and we need to compare the outputted value here against the one published on the website here. Let me check. Okay, both identical. That means we are safe to use the downloaded file to run the setup, run the installer for Oracle JDK 21. So in this command prompt, if you type Java dash version here, you see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now let me execute launch the installer here. Double click the downloaded file. Okay, you see this is a setup program for Java Development Kit version 21.0.1. Click next to continue. And the default installation directory is in C drive program files /java/jdk-21 64-bit version, and click next. It is very quick and easy, and note that the installer will update the environment variable automatically. Okay, you see Java SE Development Kit version 21 successfully installed. Click close. Okay, come back to the command prompt. If you type the command Java dash version here, still got the error. So we need to exit and open a new one. Open another new command prompt window and type in Java dash version. And you see it prints Java version 21.0.1 LTS here. That means I have successfully installed Oracle JDK version 21 on my Windows operating system. You can also check the version of the Java compiler by typing the command javac dash version. You see, it prints javac version 20.21.0.1. And the installation directory of Oracle JDK 21 is in C drive, program files, Java. You see JDK-21 here. You can see in the bin directory, it contains the executable files of the Java development kit. You see Java XZ, Java W XZ, Java C XZ here. So far you have seen how to set up Oracle JDK 21 on Windows operating system. Let me sum up the key points you need to remember. You should download the installer for Oracle JDK 21 from its official download page at this URL oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads, and you can choose either the x64 installer, XZ, or x64 MSI installer, and you should verify the integrity of the downloaded file before installation by using this command in the command prompt window. And the installation directory of Oracle JDK 21 is in C drive by default. And to verify the installation of Oracle JDK 21, you can type the command Java dash version and javac dash version in a command prompt window. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.